Hi, my name is Chelsea Forbes, and I'm going to be talking about animal diversity of my pet ducks that we have in our backyard and all the different kinds of breeds that we have and how we got them. Just to start off, this is a mallard duck. You might be familiar with these that you see in your backyard. They're your average ducks that you see probably every single day. And then this is a Peking duck. So me and my family bought 4 of these when they were babies, and we raised them in our backyard in our pond. And then one day, our Peking duck and a wild mallard duck got together and they decided to mate, and then they had these babies that you see right here. So this one right here is normally what a Peking duck would look like. That's white, and then the other 3 just look like normal mallards. And then when they grew up, they looked like this. And then this one right here was the yellow duck that you saw, and then the other 2 are the ones that look like mallards. And these typically do not fly because the Peking ducks don't know how to fly, but the mallard ducks do fly. So some of these crossbreeds know how to fly, and some of the other ones are unable to. And next from the mom that looked like this, she had these 2 babies with a wild mallard, as you can see. And this one just looks like a Peking duck, and this one once again looks like one of those crossbreed mallard ones. And then from there, this is what these 2 look like. This one right here was that little black and yellow one that you saw, and this one's a yellow one. And this one can fly, and this one cannot, because if you can see its wings, it has something called angel wings that it developed due to its crossbreeding, where the smaller wings grow before the bigger wings do, which causes the wings to come out. So she will never be able to fly. All right, and next we have these called Kagis that we bought from Tractor Supply just to go with our whole backyard. And this is what they look like on their own. And then here's them with the other 2 wild ducks. And we got lucky in all of our different kinds of breeds. They all get along with the wild mallards and with all the different other breeds that we have. All right. And next, these 3 right here, they are called Rowans. And they look like this now as adults. They just look like bigger, fatter mallards, but they are their own breed. And this one right here is one of our crossbreeds between a Peking and a mallard, and she ended up mating with a Rowan. And another, one of her siblings, I guess you can call it, with another Peking and mallard. And when she mated with the Peking and mallard, she got these 2 black ducklings, but when she mated with that Rowan, which looks like a bigger mallard, she got one of these. And this is the first one that we have, and he's a little bit bigger than the other 2 due to his dad being a bigger breed. But it's too early to see if these 2 will fly or their genders, but from all of our other ducks, most of our crossbreeds were boys, and we only ended up getting 2 girls. But they all get along. So I hope you really enjoyed getting to know about the animal diversity and how they interact in my backyard.